Hi everyone, I am Karan and welcome to Karan's Gyan. Today I'll be talking about Tata Chemicals business and its quarter one results. I would be discussing about its quarter and year on year results, give you a segment wise revenue and results, and would talk about what business is Tata Chemicals in, what segments is it dealing in, and what are the future prospects of Tata Chemicals. Based on my thorough research and analysis, I feel Tata Chemicals has a really bright future, and if you look at my analysis, you would believe the same. So let us start with the quarter one results. We see Tata results hasn't done that well in quarter one results. It has shown red signs in quarter on quarter results and year on year results. If I look at quarter on quarter results, the revenue from operations is flat, the net expenses is basically also flat, but the profit before tax has fallen by about 50%. As of this quarter, the profit before tax is 110 crores. Moreover, year on year, if I look at the revenue from operations, I see the revenue from operations have decreased by about 10%. They are as of now 2348 crores compared to 2584 crores last year, and the net expenses have fallen by about 1.2%, but it wasn't enough. If I look at the revenue from operations and if I look at the net expenses, they are not following in tandem, and thus we can see the impact of it in profit before tax. And profit before tax last year was about 350 crores and this year is about 110 crores, about a 68% drop. Now, the reason behind the revenue from operations following is because of Tata Chemicals demerger just before quarter one. And basically, Tata Chemicals deals in two main businesses. It is involved in basic chemistry products and it is involved in specialty products. In basic chemistry products, it deals with soda ash and soda bicarbonate. However, when Tata Chemicals demerged before the start of quarter one, the Tata Salt business went to Tata Consumer, the other demerged entity that was formed, and thus we see the impact of Tata Salt not being anymore with the company of Tata Chemicals. Let us look at the segment wise revenue and you would understand my point better. We see segment wise revenue of basic chemistry products, which of course include soda ash, soda bicarbonate, and Tata Salt, has been about 950 crores and 2000 crores in June 2019 and March 2020 respectively. However, after March 2020, when Tata Chemicals demerged, the basic chemistry products revenue took a hit. Well, because Tata Salt is no longer in the company, it is a part of Tata Consumer. And if I look at specialty products have pretty much been flat. If I look at March 2020, it has doubled. However, if I look at last year, there is about a 40 crore revenue increase. If I look at segment wise results, again, Tata Salt is no longer with Tata Chemicals, and thus the basic chemistry products have shown weak results of about 100 crores. Well, mainly it's because the Tata Salt business had a higher profit margin, a higher profit margin than other businesses in the basic chemistry products such as soda ash and soda bicarbonate. If I look at specialty products, the specialty product segment is doing well compared to last quarter where the specialty products showcased a loss. This quarter, there is an excellent profit of 100 crores compared to a 75 crore profit last year. Now, getting into Tata Chemicals business as promised. Like I said, Tata Chemicals is involved in two businesses: basic chemistry products and specialty products. We discussed about basic chemistry products. Now, let's have a look at specialty products. So, Tata Chemicals is involved in these really good businesses. The businesses include agro sciences, nutritional sciences, material sciences, and energy sciences. So, before I delve into each of it, I'll give you a small highlight about it. Agro sciences is actually its subsidiary Rallis India, which is involved in agricultural solutions and providing plant-based nutrients for agricultural services, like the name says, agro-sciences. Nutritional sciences is involved in the nutritional aspect of the industry. It includes, nutraceuticals. I would discuss what nutraceuticals is. It's a very good industry that Tata Chemicals is in. It is involved in nutrient solutions for livestock and aquaculture, material sciences. Now even this is an excellent industry Tata Chemicals is in. This industry basically deals with nanotechnology, and Tata Chemicals has an excellent nanotechnology R&D facility. So really good research and development facilities in nanotechnology field. And this is what the material sciences division in the specialty products deals with. It deals with nanotechnology. Energy sciences. Now energy sciences is the kingmaker in this company. Energy sciences has the most growth you would be seeing in the next 5 to 10 years, because Tata Chemicals is entering a niche segment. It has already entered the segment of lithium ion batteries, and we know in the coming years, energy vehicles or electric vehicles, as I would say, would be the future. And in the coming years, you would see more and more people would be switching to electric vehicles. We have seen good companies such as Tesla that have disrupted the entire American automobile market, and as of now, it is valued much more than other companies of the United States of America, be it Ford, be it General Motors. And we see this energy sciences to be the kingmaker of Tata Chemicals. Now, I'll give you a brief idea about all these products, but before getting into it, we'll talk about India's chemical industry. As the name suggests, Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals is a part of the chemical industry, and India is basically the third largest chemical industry in Asia and sixth largest globally. It contributes to about 11% exports in India. Chemical industry accounts for 11% exports of India, and that's how big this industry is in India. The chemical industry is supposed to reach the size of 403 billion by 2025, and and specialty chemicals market is expected to reach about 135 billion and by 2025, and this is about India. Now, talking about the first segment, it is in basic chemistry. I won't be talking about salt manufacturing because Tata Salt is no more a product of Tata Chemicals. It is a part of Tata Consumer Products, and it is basically Tata Chemicals is involved in soda ash manufacturing and sodium bicarbonate manufacturing. Soda ash is sold in US, UK, Kenya, and India. Sodium bicarbonate is sold in UK and India. Now, Tata Chemical is a leader in the basic chemistry products. It is the world's third largest producer of soda ash, and it is the world's fifth largest producer of sodium bicarbonate. Now, talking about specialty products, and as I promised, I would I would explain the key products in detail. Now, agrosciences. So, agrosciences is basically related to providing agricultural solutions, more like plant nutrient sciences and insecticides, pesticides, fertilizers, mainly agricultural solution, like I said. So, the agricultural division or the agrosciences division, it has a deep farmer connect. It has excellent penetration. It covers 80% of India's districts and has five excellent brands. Moreover, Tata Chemicals wants to gain a market leadership in key crop products such as hybrid paddy and hybrid millet. So it has a good position as of now. It has good penetration, and it has an excellent strategic plan for it to be a market leader in key crops like hybrid paddy and millet. So just so that you know, millet is bajra and paddy is wheat, as I would say. Looking at the specialty products, so the other specialty product is nutritional sciences. So Tata Chemicals is involved in something called nutraceuticals. So nutraceutical can be a future industry in the next 5 to 10 years. It has developed a nutraceutical plant in Nellore at 2070 crores. So you must be wondering, what is nutraceutical? Nutraceutical, if I break down nutraceutical into two words, I would say nutraceutical breaks down into nutrients and pharmaceutical. So basically, nutraceutical refers to nutrient pharmaceutical. Nutraceuticals has three main categories. It has a category of dietary supplements. It has a category of functional food, and it has the third category of medicinal food. So it basically deals with providing supplements that are not available in the food, or providing supplements to those people who have a specific deficiency in that supplement. Moreover, this nutraceutical has a excellent growth in the future, because nutraceutical also involves in a segment called medicinal food. So medicinal food, what is medicinal food? I think in the next 10 to 15 years, food would become obscure. By obscure, I mean that we would no longer eat food as it is, because as our population is growing exponentially and our agriculture is not growing at the pace of with our population, we would have a lot of hungry mouths to feed. And in order to provide food, we would be switching to providing medicines that satisfy your dietary requirements, that you would not need to eat food. So nutraceutical has a excellent opportunity for a time frame of 20 to 25 years, because it deals with medicinal food. Moreover, as of now, Tata Chemical is involved in the gut health market. So, gut basically means stomach. It provides dietary supplement for human health, animal health, which includes aqua and poultry, and it has a good relationship with a lot of companies. It is India's first and only nutritional sciences business in FOS. So, what is FOS? FOS is fructo oligosaccharides. So, fructo oligosaccharides is basically alternate sweeteners. For example, diabetics have sweeteners which is actually not sugar, but it is a form of chemical that does not induce them to produce high sugar, but it gives them the taste of sugar. So this is what I mean by artificial sweetener. It won't affect your body as sugar outright. However, it would taste sweet. So this is again a excellent and niche business Tata Chemicals is in, which is artificial sweeteners, or FOS, or fructo oligosaccharides. Now, material sciences. Now, this material sciences division deals with nanotechnology. So, Tata Chemicals has developed strong R&D capabilities in material sciences, including nanotechnology. It has a green patented technology for manufacturing highly dispersible silica for tires. That means we would no longer have to rely on rubber to produce our tires. We can use the field of nanotechnology and highly dispersible silica in order to produce tires. And this is a green patented technology. As you know, tires are harmful to our environment, and this green patented technology would help manufacturing eco-friendly tires that would be degraded by our environment when they are no longer of need, when they are disposed of. Now, lastly, this is the kingmaker of Tata Chemicals, the strategic division of energy sciences. So, it is positioned to exploit the EV revolution in India. What is EV revolution? EV revolution is electric vehicle revolution in India. Electric vehicles run on lithium ion batteries, because lithium ion batteries give the most output. They are able to charge fast. For example, if you have a Xiaomi phone, if you have an Apple phone, or if you have a really good phone, they would be using lithium ion batteries, because lithium ion batteries have a good life. they are able they can be used for fast charging, and that's what we need for electrical vehicles. We need a model of fast charging, and that's what lithium ion batteries give. And moreover, lithium ion batteries, they have a life cycle in which they can be charged and discharged multiple times compared to other batteries. So they Tata Chemicals wants to have a market share of 25% in the lithium ion battery market. And as we know that lithium ion battery is not just a manufacturing side of it. They want to capture all the aspects of lithium ion battery. They want to be involved in cell manufacturing. They want to be involved in lithium ion battery recycling. So look at their foresight. Look at their planning. They just don't want to manufacture lithium ion batteries. They also want to recycle them. And moreover, recycling of lithium ion battery actually works with, something called battery actives manufacturing. I won't go into detail of it, but it basically involves in replacing those parts of the lithium ion battery that are not functional, and it involves battery actives. So battery actives generally uses, electrovoltaic, as I would say, it has a lot of electrodes, it has some chemical, it has some scientific reasoning behind it, and it actually works on that. um, Now, looking at its strategic plan, they have already set up a greenfield manufacturing plant to produce lithium ion batteries. They are focusing on setting up its own battery actives manufacturing and lithium ion battery recycling plants in the next year, or in the next 2 years. And it seems that Tata Chemicals is quite determined in being a niche segment in all three divisions of either of energy sciences, which is lithium ion batteries, then material sciences, which is nanotechnology, and nutritional sciences. And trust me when I tell you, if either one of these strategic directions or specialty products takes off, Tata Chemicals can be a multi-bagger overnight. As of now, Tata Chemicals is trading at rupees 300 rupees, and you can expect Tata Chemicals to be a multi-bagger in no matter what time frame you want to acquire. So my suggestion to you is acquire Tata Chemicals, as it would grow your wealth exponentially. It has excellent business. It has a very good name, the name of Tata, and it has excellent business prospects. So guys, this is pretty much it about Tata Chemicals, and I hope you like my video. Have a nice day, and thank you very much.